100,000 miles. So this is actually the motorcycle I wanted to get originally. I had the R3 instead. My wife actually suggested I get the R3 first, which I think was a good decision instead of getting the R9 right off the bat. And I really love this 70th anniversary colorway on the R9 2026. And it's a different bike than the R9. It's almost 3 times as powerful. So it has a CP3 engine, cross-plane, 3-cylinder, 890 cubic centimeters, compared to the, I think it's 321 inline 2 on the R3. I think it's roughly like 80 foot-pounds of torque, 120 horsepower. It actually kept both motorcycles. I'm usually going to use the R3 for commuting to work every day, but since we're in the summer, I'm going to be taking the R9 a few days during the week, but I'm mostly using the R9 on the weekends for group rides and twisty roads. I think that's what it's built for. It's not really built for commuting. I think the ergonomics on this thing are a lot more aggressive than the R3. You're a lot more lean forward. You have a bigger seat so you can scooch back a little bit. The R3, you're a little bit more upright. So this one is a lot more, pressure on your wrists. It has a lot of electronics, better dashboard with the 6-axis IMU with lift control, lean control, slide control, ABS, quick shifter up and down, cruise control. So it's got way more than the R3, which I think only has the ABS. This bike is great. The only thing that kind of sucks is that there's a really big dead spot on second gear. With the emissions, they had to adjust it in a certain way so that it meets emission standards. So you really do have to get it a tune pretty soon. I don't know if I'm going to wait to get mine tuned until I get an exhaust and air filter replaced, but that's probably not going to be until another 6 months down the line. I don't expect to do it anytime soon. So I might just end up sending it in and getting it tuned for stock, and then sending it back once I get the exhaust and everything switched out. It is free tune through Two Wheel Dynaworks. You pay for it once and you can get it tuned as many times as you want. You just gotta pay for shipping.